I'm John Landesman. I'm a partner in the firm and chair of the Labor and Employment Group. The Labor and Employment Practice Group really is broken into three main areas: employment litigation, labor relations, and counseling. We represent employers across really a wide variety of industries. So it can be technology companies, telecommunications companies, all sorts of service industries, manufacturing, you name it. A typical client engagement could span a lot of different things. It could be a client who's looking to us to help them update their employee handbook. It could be a client who wants to call us and talk through a situation that they're having on site with an employee. Could be an incidence of workplace violence or sexual harassment, and they need help right then and there with it. But a lot of our time is spent litigating matters, and so it can be taking depositions, going to court, or handling trials for our clients where we'd represent the employer in those claims. Every case that we have tells a different story, and what keeps me interested and has kept me really interested in labor and employment law is that a lot of those stories are about people and they're emotionally charged. The employee is usually making an allegation that's accusing someone of doing something really bad to them. It's our job as attorneys and counselors to take a step back, to look at a case and to say, maybe this is one that we need to resolve. Maybe this is one that we should settle at an earlier point. We strive to have deep relationships with each of our clients, and we want to provide them with the best service possible. So if a client calls me and I'm on trial or I'm out at deposition, it doesn't mean that their question goes unanswered. I think a good labor and employment lawyer is very much like a fireman. We have to be available on call 24/7 because when there's an emergent issue in the workplace, it's the kind of thing that can't wait until tomorrow, and we get that. We have a deep bench in terms of the experience of our partners. We have a team that is committed to excellence and to getting the best results possible for our client in every single matter that we handle. We are strong advocates and believers of preventative maintenance. We want to partner with our clients, make sure that they have state-of-the-art, fully compliant policies so that they can avoid getting caught in the jaws of a tremendously protracted and expensive lawsuit.